Hello, good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. To the next part of video in the Playwright automation. Okay, this is going to be a very small, short video, and it's going to be a very important topic. That is how to handle the windows. Okay, in Selenium world, right, we used to handle the multiple windows, right, with the help of get window handle and handles and switch to window method, right? Same way we can also handle windows with the help of Playwright. Okay, so let's see how to handle the windows using the Playwright automation. Okay, let me create a new class. Okay, I'll name it as window handling. Okay, now I'll create the main method. Okay, now I'll create the Playwright instance for launch for initiating the Playwright. Okay, now I'll write the code for launching the browser, Chrome browser. This we are seeing for almost 15 videos. Okay, now I'll go and navigate to the new page. I'll open this application for handling the Windows, myntra.com. Okay, what I'll do is I'll click this first link. Right, when I click, right, it's opening a new window. I'm going to handle this one. Okay, so when I click that first right search result, right human QBMN, it's going opening a new window, right, and we need to handle this with the help of Playwright automation. That is what I'm going to do now. Okay, let me navigate to the URL in the code. Okay, new page, then I'll use this method, right, wait for pop-up. Okay, so what happens, till that window opens, right, it waits. Okay, till the new window opens, it waits this method. Okay, this is one of a wait mechanism in the Playwright. Okay, so we give wait for pop-up method so that till that new window opening it's going to wait, and I need to click that particular first result, right. I need to locate it and I'll take an X path for that, and I'll give a dot click method. Okay, so hope you all know how to take an X path. Please learn X path. So it's going to be very important in the automation world. Okay, our agenda is not concentrating on the X path, but we have posted videos for X path. Please go through the X path videos. Okay. I'm taking X path here. And I'll use the dot click method to click that one. Okay, now what I'm going to do now is, right, now I handle the window. Now it's going to switch to the new window. Okay, now what I need to do is I'm going to the next window and do one small task there. Let me go here. Okay, let me go to the next window. I'll print this select size text, right. I'm going to print it. For that, I need to take and locate it and take an X path now. Okay, 1 minute, hold on. Let me take an X path here. Okay, so for printing the text, we use a method called as text content. Normally in Selenium world, we use one method, if you all remember, get text, right? In Java and Playwright, we use this method text content. Okay, so it captures the text and we are going to print out with the help of the sysout. Okay. Okay, let me run the code. Browser launched. Okay, now let's me go to the console. It handled the windows, if you all see. So it printed the text. Okay, so it waited and it switched windows and it printed the text also. Okay, the select site test. Okay, so we used a very simple right way to do handle the windows, right, with the playwright automation. Okay, we use wait for pop-up method and then we jumped into that, right, with the help of the locator. We jumped it and clicked it, and with help of text content method we printed the text. So this is how you should handle the windows with the help of the Selenium automation. Hope you learned something today. Have a nice day. As meet you soon in the next video.